Simple tips to help you understand how to make money online. The internet is a rich playing field for those who want to make a lot of money online. There are many lucrative opportunities that you can get involved in. If you want to learn some of the ways to make an income online, read the following video for lots of helpful advice. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. Consider the things you already do, be they hobbies or chores, and consider how you can use those talents online. If you make your children clothing, make 2 of each and sell the extra on the internet. Love to bake? Offer your skills through a website and people will hire you. Anyone can make money online if they have the right approach. By getting good information like what you have read in this video, you put yourself one step ahead of the competition. Always keep an open mind to learn as much as you can about it. There is no better time than now to get started. Student loan.